marble is a beautiful stone, it's a beautiful product, and there is so many possibilities in veining, colors, and that could be countertop, we're talking tile, we're talking even porcelain imitation of marble looks, and so on and so forth. But let's recircle back to the real marble countertop. You should never use a real marble countertop in the kitchen. Very simple. You will very quick be sorry because marble is porous. Marble is very, very thirsty. Anything that you put on the counter gets absorbed by the stone, no matter how much of seawater there is onto the countertop. It is just a question of how fast it's going to be absorbed. So you might as well forget about drinking wine on your marble, coffee, even olive oil, or anything that may have any pigmentation, right? Any color, because the marble will grab it and then it will sink in very quick. There is no cleaning. Once in the stone, what happens, it depends what it got there, right? You can have little bugs that can start eating it. Why? Because it's a real stone. There is nothing, well, there's nothing fake about it. And because there is nothing fake about it, it is the whole point of how what got in it get working with the marble composition. It is okay to put marble on a dry bar, but you must understand that if you pour in wine or you pour in liquor that does stain, that you deal with that. If you absolutely have to have marble, the best place to put it is your fireplace. Do that, because you're not gonna serve anything to the fireplace. The possibility of a damage is so minimal, right? You spill something and so that, sure, it will go on it, but you love the marble, pay attention by the fireplace, and it's perfect, but never use it as a countertop in the kitchen.